This is a video about finding the main connective. Now there are two steps to find the main connective in a formula. First, if the first symbol is a negation, then the first occurrence of the negation is the main connective. Second, otherwise, meaning that the first symbol is not a negation symbol, the main connective is the first occurrence of the binary connective that is surrounded by the fewest parentheses. Now let's look at a formula. The first symbol in this formula is a left parentheses, so let's move on to step 2. There are two binary connectives, a disjunction and a conjunction. The disjunction is surrounded by two sets of parentheses, and the conjunction is surrounded by one set of parentheses. This means that the conjunction is the main connective. Here's another formula. The first symbol is a negation, so that means that the negation is the main connective. And now let's look at one other formula. The first symbol in this formula is a parentheses, so let's move on to step 2. There are two binary connectives in this formula. Both of them are disjunctions. The disjunction on the right is surrounded by two sets of parentheses, and the disjunction on the left is surrounded by one set of parentheses. That means the disjunction on the left, the red one, is the main connective. That's why it's important to note that the main connective is the occurrence of the binary connective surrounded by the fewest parentheses. So now why don't you give it a try and try to find the main connective of the following formulas. Pause the video and make sure that you can identify the main connective in each of these formulas. Here are the answers. The main connective is the one that is highlighted blue.